Hi guys, it's Miss Duncan here. I am going to quickly go over your next step course and how we can get that finalized and get it off of your schedule and get you that high school credit. My goal is to have these completely finished before Christmas. So what I'm going to talk about today is going to be due Monday, December 14th. If you have questions on how to get things done, email me, text me, or call me, or rewatch this video because I'm going to walk you through all of it. Okay? The first thing I need you to do is send me proof that you have worked 60 hours since July of this year. So just 60 hours. That can be a picture of your pay stubs. It could be your clock in, clock out sheet. It could be a document from your manager that's verifying that you've worked 60 hours. Just submit that proof that you have worked for 60 hours. Then this link is in the email that I'm sending you with this video. You'll go to this website, click up here where it says Internships and Work Study, click Course Assignments, and then there's going to pop up Category 1, Category 2, and Category 3. You need to, in Category 1, what you're completing this semester is writing a resume. So you're going to learn how to write a resume if you need to. Then you're going to create a resume. So here are some helpful videos. And then this right here, create a resume, resumebuilder.com. If you click here, you can type in all of the information and it will format the resume for you. If not, you're welcome to do one on your own. If you already have one made, that's fine. But create a resume and then share that with me to get credit for the resume. And that will take care of your Category 1 assignment. Then you're going to scroll down to Category 2. Go through these choices, clicking on them and reading about them. Decide which one you want to do. Then complete the assignment that's attached to it, like interview a professional. If you chose this one, it tells you there's option 1, there's an option 2. So you can read through these choices, decide what you want to do, and then it gives you all of the guidelines that you need in order to complete this assignment. And then you'll share that with me. Okay? I don't care which one you do from Category 2. You can pick that all on your own. Category 1, you are doing a resume. Category 2, you pick something from this section, complete it, and email it to me. Then you have Category 3. Again, read through these choices, complete the task, email it to me, and then once you have done that, once you have shared your hours that you've worked 60 hours, you've sent me your resume, you've completed an activity from Category 2 and an activity from Category 3, I can finalize that class and you can earn your high school credit for the Next Step program. And that's one less thing for you to worry about. Again, this is due Monday, December 14th. If you have questions or need help, please get to me before the weekend because over the weekend I will not be able to respond to your questions. So get started on this as soon as you can. It should not take very long.